I'm headed to Walmart today to go see what their garden section looks like, and I figured I would bring you with me so you could see what the garden sections in Hawaii actually look like. I might also stop by the Home Depot that's there. Garden selections here are kind of tricky in my opinion because I know what I want and a lot of times they don't have it. Let's go see, pick out some plants and some garden tools that I'm gonna need. Okay, let's go. Right off the bat, they have kalanchoes. I just picked up some at my local garden center, so not taking any today. I am always a sucker for these, so maybe I will take one of these. Been craving some purple. Coleus is very limited usually on the island, so these are usually the only varieties that I can find. Love this. Lantana actually grows almost like a perennial here. It lasts a really long time. I love these too. Always get them in white because we're also very limited on white flowers here for some reason. Usually these are the only coneflowers I can find as well. And the red begonias are very popular here. And some small dahlias. And then you have your indoor plants, which can actually live outdoors here. The Rex is always so beautiful, and these are blooming. Swiss cheese, peperomias, spider plants. All the herbs. They've got lemon, golden lemon thyme, nepeta, peppermint, pineapple mint, my favorite, ice chill mint, orange mint, berries and cream, culantro, lemon balm, strawberry mint somewhere, which is also one of my favorites. Usually they're pretty good on herbs. I do need a rosemary and they don't have that, so that's great. Tons of little baby ferns. This is one of my favorites too. Super good on selection of indoor plants. These don't really do too well in the area of the island that I live in, just because it tends to be hotter. These though, they thrive. And some more beautiful indoor plants. Unfortunately, we're also very limited on petunias. No proven winners here, but these will have to do. Varieties of indoor plants are pretty good, I would say. We've got pretty much anything and everything that you could want that is not toxic to the island, and of course several. And the orchid supply is always really high just because I guess they're super popular here. And of course, extremely beautiful. As well as the anthuriums, which honestly are not my favorite. I do need new seed starting trays because my toxic trait is to leave them outside and let the sun rot them. My favorite section probably this is actually a neat basket. Oh, I actually need one of these. Oh, it's a whole kit. That's pretty cool. That's a cute little plant stand. Oh no. This. Okay. Better Home and Garden is actually getting a lot better. I'm a sucker for these. The flamingo. How cute. Well, they definitely still have a lot of work to do, but so far it's looking really cute. This is really not my style, but that is actually pretty cute. And I think I want this mushroom planter. What do you think? Now this is a style I have not seen from Walmart before. So I am happy with the plants that I got. I'm usually very disappointed because I'm used to like proven winners and things like that. I already know what I'm coming to see when I come to Walmart, but I hope you enjoyed it regardless. I am gonna go to Home Depot because they did not have any seed starting things and I need seed starting trays. So let's go over there and take a look. Citrus, dwarf flying dragon, mandrake. Bet you that is so good. Got some lemons. I see a variegated lemon. Actually, I need to repot mine. Oh, maybe I can find what I'm looking for here. Ooh, Thai basil. Perfect. I do need a rosemary. Got some tomato and other veggies here. Swiss chard, greens. All kinds of succulents here. String of turtles, which are severely overwatered. Do need some cilantro. So I found their selection, but it's not my favorite, to be honest. I do have the Pro Hex, which I don't really like.
75 years later.
So it is a new day, but I wanted to show you what I ended up getting. I got a new mister. I don't know what I did to mine. Maybe I still have it and I just don't know where it is. And then I did end up finding these at Target, which is what I was looking for. I love the plastic and the watering container. You could see through to see where the level's at. They have different sizes in these, but I like the 16 count because I feel like they're a good size. I don't need them too small and I don't need them to be gigantic. Okay, I popped the wrapper off so I could show you. But you just pop it up and take your seedling out. These are awesome. They're very durable. Just don't be like me and leave them in the sun until they rot. That's my goal for this year, is to not leave them in the sun until they rot. I'm gonna immediately put them in the garage so that they are safe from that. But I got 2 of those, a new watering can because I think one of the neighborhood kids took mine from the front yard, so I needed one for outside. And here are some of the plants that I ended up picking up. I got a lot of these at Walmart, and then the herbs at my local garden center, which I will be making a video. I'm making the herb garden, and then a lot of these for my front porch display. So stay tuned for that. And I did pick up some fertilizer, soil, and things like that that I needed to replenish. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed just kind of shopping and coming along with me to the different garden centers, just so you see what it's like here in Hawaii. It's definitely very different. I do miss Proven Winners a lot, but I only have about another year left here, so I'm just enjoying what I've got. I ordered some seeds, which will also be in another video. I hope you enjoyed the garden center tours, and I'll see you in the next video.